Okay, well, let me ask you a question here. In my mind is kind of going to HRV and ERV. Are there value is there value that this product adds beyond just being great aesthetically, providing a more energy efficient home, providing better temperature control within your home? Can you tell us a little bit about the value that we offer through this product beyond those things we've already discussed?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So our product is not just utilized for supplying air into the home, which is, obviously a huge key factor on, what we had mainly focused on is providing air more aesthetically and performing better at doing that. But we've come to realize that we can accomplish and do much more than just supplying air. For example, like you mentioned, the HRV and ERV, those utilize additional registers within the home. So, instead of adding more registers, you could just utilize our product because our product is rated for damp location, is suitable for bathroom locations and stuff like that. So you could utilize it for those HRVs, ERVs, which is a great fit because you don't have to add additional penetrations within the membrane of the home. You could just utilize, once again, a location of lighting. Our product is also very useful when it comes to bringing in combustion air for 80% water heaters, which are still pretty popular in some certain areas in the country. We can bring in that combustion air through our product, but also utilize our light as a mechanical light. And so you're able to, utilize and provide all the essentials through one product instead of having, a penetration for combustion and then a mechanical light and stuff like that. It's just all in one. Another great feature on our product is that we utilize it as what we call a jumper duct. So we jump it from one room to another to like where the main return is in the hallway. And that helps balance the pressure between the rooms so you don't have to have whistling with under the door or door slamming and stuff like that. And so that is another great benefit because traditionally we would see an additional register within the bedrooms, right? And
Right.
so now you're not having to do so because we can balance that negative pressure between the rooms. You'll feel more comfortable. No room will get more. The rooms that get a little bit more excessive air, due to a little bit improper installation,
Uh-huh.
you won't feel that pressure within that room because it's helping remove that overpressured room into the other.
Yeah. And we talked a little bit about HRV and ERV. HRV stands for heat recovery ventilation, and ERV stands for energy recovery ventilation. You want to just say a little bit to our audience about what those terms mean and why they're important for your home?
Yeah, so HRVs and ERVs are very essential, especially in today's era when we're building homes very tight. We want to, which is it's kind of funny because you build a home and you try to build it as tight as possible, right? But then you go and you drill a 8-inch hole on the side, of your home to bring in air from the outside. But the benefit of that is that air that's coming into the home is actually being diluted within the HVAC system. So you're not feeling that excessive cold air if it's wintertime, to come into the house and certain area of the homes are getting that breeze of 20-degree air. It's
Right.
actually going through the system itself and diluting its temperature into a more content temperature of what you're already used to, right? So it gets closer to that 70-degree, and it just helps when you're also cooking. You're able to those tight homes are exhausting air within the home. You
Right.
want to be able to then balance, introduce and offset that negative pressure that you're pulling out. You want to bring it in, and so those HRVs, ERVs are very essential when it comes to today's era of building homes efficiently.